There are motorhomes that simply look good, and then there are a few that genuinely make you stop and rethink what luxury travel on wheels should feel like. The Adria Supersonic 780 SL clearly belongs in the second category. Long before you step inside, it already gives the impression that this is not just another motorhome with a high price tag, but a carefully engineered machine designed to redefine Adria's position in the premium segment. With advanced technology, impressive storage solutions, and a refined interior atmosphere, many enthusiasts are already calling this one of Adria's strongest releases in recent years. This all-new Supersonic 780 SL sits at the top end of Adria's lineup, with prices typically starting around $135,000 and climbing close to $160,000 depending on optional upgrades and configurations. At this level, buyers expect more than visual appeal. They want real comfort, long-term reliability, strong performance, and the freedom to travel without limitations. The Supersonic has been built with exactly those expectations in mind. From the outside, the motorhome looks striking yet elegant. Instead of the familiar van-based design seen on many RVs, this model features a fully integrated body with smooth, uninterrupted lines running from front to rear. The seamless construction gives it a premium presence and instantly separates it from more traditional motorhomes. The overall shape feels modern, confident, and well-balanced, making it clear that this vehicle was designed as a complete unit rather than a modified commercial chassis. The front design deserves special attention because it represents a major shift for Adria. For many years, the brand relied primarily on Fiat Ducato or Citroën platforms. While dependable, those platforms gave many Adria models a recognizable, slightly utilitarian appearance. The Supersonic changes that completely by becoming Adria's first fully integrated motorhome built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. This move alone elevates the entire driving and ownership experience. With the Mercedes platform, the Supersonic benefits from a powerful 170 horsepower diesel engine paired with a smooth 9G Tronic automatic transmission. On the road, this combination delivers quieter cruising, more refined acceleration, and a noticeably more comfortable driving feel. It also brings improved safety systems and overall build quality, giving the driver a greater sense of confidence whether cruising on highways or navigating narrow roads. Despite its luxury credentials, the Supersonic 780 SL maintains dimensions that are surprisingly manageable. Measuring roughly 25.6 feet in length and about 7.6 feet in width, it strikes an excellent balance between interior space and ease of handling. This makes it easier to maneuver in urban environments, simpler to park at campsites, and less intimidating for drivers transitioning into a Class A motorhome for the first time. At the same time, the interior never feels cramped, thanks to smart layout planning and efficient use of space. One particularly practical feature is the factory-installed hydraulic leveling system. With the push of a button, the motorhome can automatically level itself on uneven ground, eliminating the need for manual leveling blocks. This not only improves comfort inside the vehicle but also saves time and effort during setup, especially after a long day of driving. Along the passenger side, several well-designed external compartments provide easy access to essential utilities. There is storage space for cables, hoses, and smaller accessories, as well as external power sockets for connecting appliances. A 230-volt shore power connection allows the motorhome to hook up to city electricity when available, making it easy to switch between campsite and off-grid living. One of the highlights on this side is the large powered awning that extends along most of the vehicle's length. With integrated LED lighting underneath, it creates a comfortable and well-lit outdoor living area. Whether you are having breakfast in the morning shade or enjoying a relaxed evening with friends, this awning significantly enhances the overall camping experience. Toward the rear, the Supersonic reveals one of its most impressive features, a massive pass-through garage. This storage area is far larger than what many people expect from a motorhome of this size. Finished with premium materials and equipped with bright LED lighting, it offers enough room to store chairs, tables, bikes, barbecue equipment, and even larger outdoor gear such as inflatable boats or kayaks. The garage also includes both 230-volt and 12-volt power outlets, allowing you to charge devices or run equipment while on the move. To ensure year-round usability, this storage area is connected to the ALD liquid heating system. This keeps the space warm during cold weather and protects stored items from freezing temperatures. The same heating system makes the Supersonic fully suitable for winter camping, providing quiet, even heat throughout the interior and ensuring a comfortable environment no matter the season. At the rear, the exterior design remains clean and understated, reinforcing the premium feel. A reversing camera improves safety and convenience when maneuvering, while full-width LED lighting enhances visibility and adds to the modern look. Thanks to the fully integrated body construction, insulation is significantly improved, resulting in better thermal efficiency, reduced road noise, and a quieter living space inside. On the driver's side, functionality continues with easy access to the rear garage and a dedicated gas compartment capable of holding two 24-pound cylinders. This setup supports extended cooking without frequent refills, making it ideal for longer trips. Nearby, the freshwater fill point allows the tank to hold approximately 30 gallons of water, while the diesel fuel tank offers ample capacity for extended driving ranges. The electrical system is equally well thought out. The Supersonic comes equipped with 2 auxiliary batteries and a 120-watt solar panel mounted on the roof. This setup provides a solid foundation for off-grid camping, and the system can be expanded with additional solar panels or battery capacity for those who want even more independence. With this configuration, travelers can comfortably spend several days away from campsites without sacrificing essential comforts. Returning to the main entrance, the door itself reflects the level of detail found throughout the motorhome. It is highly insulated, helping maintain interior temperature and reduce noise. A large window with a blackout blind allows natural light to enter while preserving privacy when needed. The door also includes an integrated trash bin, which is particularly useful during outdoor cooking, and an electric step that makes entry and exit effortless. Stepping inside the Supersonic 780 SL, the difference is immediately noticeable. This interior feels like a complete departure from Adria's older designs. The atmosphere is modern, refined, and unmistakably premium. Multi-layer indirect LED lighting runs along the ceiling, floor, and furniture, creating a warm and inviting ambience. Soft-touch surfaces, matte wood finishes, and brushed aluminum accents give the space a sophisticated yet understated character. Adria offers the Supersonic in several floor plans, but the 780 SL stands out for its balanced layout. It features an L-shaped lounge area that feels open and social, making it ideal for relaxing or entertaining guests. The seating includes a comfortable L-shaped sofa paired with an electrically adjustable and expandable table. The captain chairs in the driver's cabin can swivel around to join the lounge, creating a cozy dining area for 4 people. The seats themselves are thoughtfully designed, with supportive armrests and built-in heating for added comfort during colder weather. Opposite the main seating area, there is a removable cushion seat that adds extra flexibility. This seat can be repositioned or even taken outside, making it a versatile addition for gatherings or outdoor use. A small pull-out work surface nearby provides a practical spot for laptops or casual dining. Above the driver's cab, a fully electric drop-down bed is cleverly concealed within the ceiling. With the press of a button, it lowers smoothly into place, revealing a spacious and well-lit sleeping area. Integrated lighting and a panoramic sunroof enhance the experience, making this bed feel airy rather than confined. When not in use, it disappears back into the ceiling, preserving the open feel of the lounge. Moving further inside, the kitchen area continues the theme of elegance and practicality. Despite its relatively compact footprint, it offers everything needed for comfortable cooking on the road. The countertop provides ample workspace and houses a 3-burner gas cooktop and a covered sink with a stainless steel faucet. Below, multiple drawers and cabinets offer generous storage for cookware and utensils. Overhead, curved storage cabinets line the wall, adding both visual interest and additional storage capacity. Opposite the kitchen, a large residential-style refrigerator with a separate freezer ensures you can store enough food for extended trips. A gas oven with grill function expands cooking options, while a dedicated mounting space allows for the installation of a large LED television that can be viewed from both the lounge and the drop-down bed. One of the most cleverly designed areas in the Supersonic is the bathroom. Instead of a single compact wet bath, Adria has created a split layout with a separate toilet room and a dedicated shower area. Each space is well finished, featuring quality fixtures, good ventilation, and thoughtful lighting. When both doors are closed strategically, the 2 areas combine to form a large, dry bathroom space that offers far more room to move around and change clothes comfortably. At the rear of the motorhome, the bedroom provides a peaceful and comfortable retreat. The 780 SL features twin beds, which are ideal for 2 travelers who prefer individual sleeping spaces. For those who want more room, an additional cushion can be placed between the beds to create a large king-size sleeping surface. The bedroom is filled with natural light thanks to large windows, and ambient LED lighting enhances the relaxing atmosphere. Storage is abundant here as well, with cabinets lining the walls and additional compartments located beneath the beds. Small but important details, such as reading lights, USB ports, and power outlets near the headboards, ensure that everyday needs are easily met. Everything in this space feels carefully considered, making long stays comfortable and stress-free. Overall, the Adria Supersonic 780 SL feels like a major step forward for the brand. With its Mercedes-Benz foundation, refined interior design, impressive storage capacity, and genuine four-season capability, it sets a new benchmark for what a premium Adria motorhome can be. It doesn't just look luxurious, it delivers practical, real-world benefits that enhance every aspect of life on the road. So the question remains, do you think the Supersonic 780 SL is Adria's best motorhome in the last few years, or is there still something missing? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to explore more luxury motorhomes like this one, make sure to check out the next video.